I'm going to show you how to make homemade banana bread. This is gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free. I'll show you how to make a traditional banana bread in the future, so stay tuned for that. To get started, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium-sized mixing bowl, add in the gluten-free all-purpose baking flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin pie spice, and whisk the ingredients until it's combined. Set the dry ingredients aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add in the overripe bananas. The more overripe they are, the better. And whisk them with the electric mixer until they're mashed up well. Then add in the brown sugar, melted coconut oil, and the vanilla extract, and whisk them on medium-high speeds for about a minute. Even though this recipe has coconut oil in it, it's still nut-free because coconut actually is not a nut. A coconut allergy is actually pretty rare. So once the mixture is well combined, add in the dry ingredients and mix it on low speed to start with. Then beat the mixture on high speed for a minute, making sure to scrape down the sides after 45 seconds. Grease a loaf pan really well with nonstick cooking spray, or you can use a muffin pan and make banana bread muffins, and it won't need to bake as long. Then pour the batter into the pan. Then bake it in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. If the top is getting browned too quickly, but it's not quite done yet, then cover it in aluminum foil, being very careful because it is hot. It's done once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out mostly clean. This banana bread is quite moist, so crumbs will stick to it. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven. Then immediately turn it out onto a cooling rack. It will stick to the pan if you let it sit in the pan. Then let it cool completely and slice it and serve it. And that's how to make banana bread that's gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and nut-free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.